Oh, one a merry venada. Unama. Hey, oh, one a merry venada. Nanja, Nanja. One no 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 give you a meme. Anachawe, Anapua. It's a long money when you go meme. Achaluko wanyi wawalu megunu. Makane bata fuma mbulu ewu. Mberede keje madike. Kaskolo na mbureki na bajoso. Anechewe, ema mutalire. Ema mutalaneteke.
Good day, my able proprietors, wonderful parents, teachers, and my fellow scholars. I am the widow of the former head of the Eastern region, and also the former leader of the Iberia Friends. And I was the former Miss Nigeria, Africa, and Intercontinental.
A round of applause for her, please.
And also the former ambassador from Nigeria to Spain.
Yawa.
Guess who I am?
Guess who she is? Bianca Ojukwu.
Yes, you're correct. I am Bianca Odumegu Ojukwu.
Yes.
I am a Nigerian politician and economics professor. I am the 5th Democratic Governor of Anambra State. I was born on the 28th of July, 1960. I was appointed as the former chairman of the bank on the 24th of May 2004. I was the former governor of the Central Bank of Nigeria. Former governor of the Central Bank of Nigeria. Who am I?
Professor Chukwuma Soludo. Are you correct?
I'm Professor Chukwuma Soludo.
Yes, Professor Chukwuma Soludo.
From Abo Embassy, Imo State. I'm from the Abo Embassy royal family, and I've featured in over 100 movies and directed and written a lot of them. I believe that marriage is a strong commitment, and I got married on the 5th of April this year. So who am I?
Rita Dominic.
I am Rita Dominic Wasurocha.
A round of applause for her, please. I know her, yes.
I am one of the most recognized female bloggers in Nigeria. I became an active blogger in 2007. I own an online radio broadcasting and a television station. I run a non-profit project. Teamed, I'd rather be self-made. No thanks. Guess who am I?
Linda Ikeji.
Yes, you got it. I'm Linda Ikeji.
I am the first Black African woman from Abia State, Nigeria, to win the Olympic gold medal in a few events. I remain the only woman to compete at both the FIFA Women's World Cup as a track and field athlete. Guess who I am?
Blood of Jesus. Who is she, Bikono? Chereno, don't say anything. The parents will answer this. You know any other idea? HM know something, Obala. Shoma Ajumwa.
Yes, I am Shoma Ajumwa.
He was Shoma Ajumwa. Oh, you know Bikubana. You know Bikubana. I don't know Bikubana, you white. Now, why are you, Madam, correct?
I am a Nigerian businessman and politician, born on the 19th of July, 1961, who served as the Governor of Anambra State from two tenures from 2006 to 2014.
I am a gonyawo.
I have 2 pairs of black shoes and I travel with them where.
So also 2 pairs of shoes. Only 3 or 2 pairs.
Only watch I have. I have worn it for over 17 years from now. I don't give shishi for your job.
We know they give shishi.
I don't give shishi for your job.
We know they give
Guess
shishi.
who am I?
Sherenu.
Yes, I am Peter Obi.
Prominent Igbo.
Are you obedient?
We are obedient.
Are you obedient?
We are obedient.
Thank you.
Prominent Igbo. The president.
Generation. Come for to show his excellence. All I require for life, God has given me.
All right, please introduce yourself, please. On half of my back, crusade, Kayaba.
I am a Nigerian singer,
Uh-huh.
songwriter, senior worship leader. I'm from Afikpo South, Ebonyi State.
Afikpo South, Ebonyi State.
I was born on 30th March 1970.
Okay.
I'm the first singer-songwriter to top the Billboard Christian chart. To top the Billboard Christian chart for 12 weeks in a row. One of my songs titled Waymaker. And bagged 3 nominations. And won the first song of the year.
Okay.
At 51st GMA Dove Award.
Okay.
Who am I?
Onye Cameroon. Huh? Is Rita Onye?
Correct.
Okay. Arsenal Chico.
Also known as Osinachi.
Yes. Sinach. For you to know the Igbo nwere mmadụ. Oyi monyo. Nwanne mmamu, ayi monyo. Yes, it is my mother. My mother's direct immediate younger brother, yes. Yes.
I am a musician from Abia State, Nigeria. My musical sound was known as the Ziggy sound.
Yes.
Here are some of the music I made because of English.
Yes.
About one day and African style. My stylish way of mixing excellent steps and warning chants gave me the title the Duke of African Music. Guess who I am?
Bright Chimezie.
Yes, you are correct.
Yes.
I am Bright Chimezie.
Bright Chimezie, he is my mother. I will tell you he is. Yeah, that is Bright Chimezie. On the road, one now, Jabu, came out over here that you go 250.
I am a former professional football player who played as a forward. I played for the Nigerian national team and I also played for the Dutch side Ajax.
Calm down. Yeah.
I also played for the Dutch side Ajax, English team, Arsenal, Inter Milan, Italy.
Yes, big man.
And West Bromwich, Albion, Portsmouth.
Press, souvenir.
I am from Owerri and I own an internet television sports company. Guess who I am?
Who is he? Who? Kano Wanko.
Yes, you are correct.
Yeah.
I am a cardinal from the Roman Catholic Church, prefect of congregations of divine worship and discipline of the sacraments. I am a cardinal bishop of Valatrisekni Catholic Church and the principal advisor of John Paul II. I became papable before 2005 Papal Conclave and elected Benedict XVI.
Guess who I am?
Onye ka ọ bụ? Is that where we go?